Interesting developments taking place now in the state of Tamil Nadu. Remember, Periyar has been one of the icons with regard to DMK. They call him the social reformer. He's an icon, someone very difficult to be able to criticize if one wishes in Tamil Nadu because there are sensitivities involved. However, Annamalai, Nirmala Sitharaman, one is a Tamil Nadu BJP chief, one is a senior leader, a minister in the union government, have taken on, especially the whole narrative around Periyar. Annamalai gave a pat on the back for NTK chief and said that keep fighting, brother. This video has gone viral and he's saying that to Seeman, who's basically has been in many ways a critic of Periyar's words, ideologies and has been criticizing him, which is not very easy. That's why Annamalai says, keep fighting, bro. Look at that. He shakes his hand while he's sitting in his car, pats her back and says, keep fighting, brother. Nirmala Sitharaman, meanwhile, on the floor of the house said, it was Periyar who called the Tamil language barbaric and we cannot criticize that.
Sir, for just saying your protests are uncivil, they made the education minister to withdraw their statement, his statement. When a man repeatedly says Tamil is a barbaric language, Katumirandi Bhashai, look at the hypocrisy. They keep his photo in every room. I'm sure even in the parliament office of that party, his photo is there. They garland him and they worship him and they say he is the icon of Dravidian movement. But he said Tamil is Katumirandi Bhashai. So, sir, I'm saying unbelievable that this person is worshipped, but our poor Dharmendra Pradhan just said don't do uncivil protest. He is being accused. And if their love for Tamil is so much, how can they worship somebody who said Tamil is a Katumirandi Bhashai?
Make no mistake, this is huge when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics. Now, Periyar is often called the architect of Dravidian politics and that's why he's been an icon, especially when it comes to the Dravidian ideology and for DMK, of course, that relies heavily on that kind of Dravidian politics to say we must take pride in our language and in our state, to which Nirmala Sitharaman says, but the icon you put garlands on is the one who said that the Tamil language is barbaric. And said so much against the people of Tamil Nadu, and then you expect us to praise him and use him against the national education policy. Annamalai, meanwhile, was caught patting on back one of the leaders of NTK saying, keep fighting, brother, referring to how, because he's been a known beta and critic of Periyar, that saying that go ahead and keep fighting. This was referring to the NTK chief, Seeman. Let's go across now to Pramod Madhav for the latest. Pramod, you would tell us this better because Periyar has been such an icon in terms of at least Dravidian DMK politics that even criticizing him, I believe, in Tamil Nadu is not that easy. Tell us, why do you think that BJP is now jumping on this bandwagon?
Well, it's very simple, Pooja, because like Periyar is actually, we can call it as an ism as well, because based on Periyar's ideology only, the Dravidian ideology actually bloomed in the state, which is in control since 1967. It was able to topple the Congress party and is considered actually as a very big stalwart. The name Periyar itself actually kind of translates to a big person in Tamil. Now, what happened is that Seeman, for the previous by-elections, he actually started targeting Periyar and he started giving various information which are yet to be actually confirmed or double-checked. But right now, as you mentioned, Annamalai has also extended support because BJP is completely against Dravidian ideology and Periyarism, and that's the reason. Now, Annamalai, while we could also see that he actually shakes hands with Nam Tamil Seeman, and he also says, keep fighting, Pooja.
All right, Pramod, we'll be tracking that and more. Is there going to be more support coming in for the Bharatiya Janata Party to say that in many ways you have to go beyond Periyar? And could there be a new bloom with regard to Lotus against the Dravidian politics?